The SpaceX Starlink Gen 3 kit delivers genuinely fast, low-delay satellite internet that can make remote cabins, rural homes, and travel setups feel much closer to city connectivity. Its latest generation antenna and matching router are tuned to work together, giving more stable throughput and smoother video calls than earlier Starlink hardware in challenging locations. The compact, weather-tested dish and streamlined router are easy to move and set up, so you can relocate between properties or travel without wrestling with bulky gear. A long factory cable and simple kickstand mount make it straightforward to place the antenna in an open sky position, even if your ideal spot is some distance from the indoor router. The included Wi-Fi 6 capable router provides strong wireless coverage and handles multiple modern devices at once without bogging down everyday streaming and work tasks. Flexible service options and the ability to pause or cancel make this kit appealing for seasonal users, travelers, and anyone who values performance without being locked into long commitments.